Experiencing issues transferring your Boost Mobile eSIM? Here's a quick breakdown to get you back on track. First, let's define the core concepts. An eSIM is a digital SIM embedded in your device, eliminating the need for a physical card. Convert refers to switching from a physical SIM to an eSIM or vice versa. Unlink means removing the eSIM profile from your device without deleting your account. And reactivate involves reinstalling the eSIM using a new QR code or LPA code from Boost. The most common reasons for transfer failures include incompatible firmware, low battery, less than 20%, or glitches in the Boost mobile app. Immediately try these steps. Ensure your device is on a supported network, LTE 5G, disable any VPNs, and perform a soft reset, restart your device. A common first step recommended by Boost's support team is to use the latest version of the Boost mobile app for all transfers. Download or update it from your app store before continuing. Start by unlinking the eSIM directly from your phone's settings. After unlinking, use the Boost mobile app or website to generate a new QR code for reactivation. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection during this process. If the QR code fails, double-check for typos and verify it hasn't expired. They're often valid for 48 hours. For persistent issues, use the eSIM Wizard tool within the Boost mobile app. This tool guides you through unlinking and reactivation. As a last resort, contact Boost Mobile's live chat or visit a store for over-the-air assistance or hardware diagnostics. If your device is older than 2020, it might not fully support eSIM functionality, potentially requiring a device upgrade.